Hello beautiful humans and happy Sunday. My name is Anastasia and welcome back to my channel where I talk about blindness, disabilities, and mental health. I make new videos every other Sunday, so please make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a video. Today we're going to be talking about how you sweep your floor when you can't see your floor. I'm really excited about this one, so if that sounds like something you might be interested in, please stay tuned. So here's the thing. When you can't see, cleaning can become daunting and frustrating and anxiety-driven work. Even thinking about it can send you into a tailspin because it's something that many of us struggle with because there was a time when we were able to do it fluently and effectively. Cleaning is really hard when you can't see what you need to pick up. So over the years, I had to come up with inventive ways to clean my house, and if you guys want to see more videos and strategies of how I personally do that, I can definitely make videos of that. Just let me know down in the comments. But today we're going to be talking about how I sweep my floor. How I used to sweep my floor is I would pick one spot on the floor and I would sweep the entirety of the room to that one spot until I began to see a dirt pile. And that is how, in my mind anyway, how I knew that I was getting somewhere. Because if I were to do it the traditional way, you know, just picking a spot and cleaning the dirt up and then moving on to a different spot, I can't do that because I don't see anything. It's like I'm sweeping and is anything happening? I don't know. But that's how I did it and it worked. But it wasn't the greatest. And that is definitely a tactic that you guys can use, but I found something better and I am so excited to show you this. I got a robot. This has changed my freaking life. Let me tell you. I just got a Shark robot vacuum. It was one of the cheaper models. It was refurbished. It was only like $148. But it works wonders. I am so happy with it. I don't have to worry about sweeping my floors anymore. I don't have to worry about that anxiety of, am I getting the dirt off the floor? Here it is right here. The setup was easy. It comes with these little brushes on the back that you just pop on, and I think I just dumped dirt everywhere. Yep, I hear it coming out. Oops. Anyway, so it comes with this tray that you just kind of pop out like so, and try not to get dirt everywhere, but the tray just pops out and you throw it away. It literally does everything for you. It works for like an hour, 2 hours. There's different settings. There's an eco setting, a normal setting, a max setting. Guys, this is amazing. I am so happy that we live in a world where robots can clean your floor. There is a Shark app, which I'm going to show you right now. So here's the app. I downloaded mine onto my iPhone and my iPad, but you should be able to also download it on any Android device. I like to use mine on my iPad because I can blow it up larger on there. So some of the features that the app has is that you can set it to schedule. And I have mine set to clean 3 days a week. I actually might set it to 4 because my cats are shedding right now and my floor needs a little bit more TLC. But all you do is toggle on the scheduling switch and you can pick what days and what times you want your robot to clean for you. It's really, really nice. You can also see how much the robot is charged on the dock. And you can go here to this history button and it'll let you know how many days it cleans out of the month. And you can force clean out of schedule if you just hit the clean button right there. And another cool thing is that while your robot is cleaning, this scheduling button right here turns into the mode button. So you can set your robot to clean on either eco, normal, or max. I usually put mine on max because it cleans the most. I have cats and there's fur everywhere, so I find that I get the better result when I have it on max. It lets you know the time of the next cleaning here at the bottom and the estimated duration. I believe when it's on max, it actually cleans longer than 60 minutes. But when it's all done, it goes back to the dock, and you can even tell your robot to stop cleaning earlier than the scheduled time by going to where the clean button is here. It'll actually turn into a red dock button. So that is what you would press if you want to dock your robot. I just wanted to show you guys a little demonstration. As you can see, I picked up all my chairs and my garbage can and cat food and water and whatnot because it will knock it over, and you want to make sure that it can clean as much of the floor as possible. You want to make sure that any low-hanging curtains are picked up and things like that so it doesn't get stuck in the vacuum. It does do carpet as well as hard floor and tile. It does have sensors on the front, so if it bumps into something, it knows to turn right around. It does come with a charging dock and a warranty. I think my warranty is 180 days because it was refurbished, but I think traditionally there's like a year warranty. They have models that actually mop for you as well, and I think they have models that have like an attachment hose, so if there's like a mess in your cupboard, you can get that and not have to go and buy another complete separate vacuum. I am just, guys, seriously, if you can't afford it right now, take $10 a month and you will be able to afford one soon enough, because this is just going to change your life. It's going to make you so much happier. It's going to make your house cleaner. You're just going to feel that independence again, and like, yes, I am able to do things regardless of my vision. And I don't know, but having a warm and comfy and clean house has always been something that I've wanted and something I've wanted to create, and this helps me reach that goal. So I know it's kind of like mushy and weird because it's a robot, but guys, I'm happy. I'm happy, and I want to share it with you, and I want you guys to go out and get one for yourselves because it's really, really going to make a difference. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe so I know what kind of content you guys would like to see. Thanks for stopping by.